Mercedes-Benz has launched the facelifted 2025 G63 with several upgrades, new technologies and additional personalization options through manufacturing services. The G63 continues with Affalterbach's beloved 8-cylinder. The G63 gets a powerful V8 engine. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine receives an integrated starter generator that provides the same additional HP and torque as the standard model for a total of 597 horsepower and 775 lb featuring a 9-speed AMG Speedshift TCT transmission drives all four wheels, contributing to a 0 to 60 mph sprint time of 4.2 seconds. An electronic limiter ends the fun at 137 miles per hour. The hydraulics can compensate for individual movements that usually cause body roll. This results in a quieter, more relaxed ride and superior traction on and off-road. This system also improves wheel articulation on the G63. New A-pillar trim and a small roof spoiler at the rear have improved aerodynamics, while new insulation materials reduce noise levels. Standard LED headlights and a fresh grille design freshen up the front end.